Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate that how we can just reset the security token in the Salesforce. But before that, if you wanted to follow more Salesforce video, you can just subscribe our channel, which is CRS Info Solutions, for more Salesforce tutorials. So now coming back to the topic, I'll click on the gear setup and I will just click on this and I will click on the setup. Now we will learn that how we can reset the security token. So basically we use security token in many places. For example, if you go to the police station or any government office and they will ask you the security token so that you can enter into the place. It just works like same within the Salesforce. If you wanted to connect the third party application with the Salesforce, you need the security token in order to integrate that application with your Salesforce. Obviously, you cannot allow someone to enter into your org without your permission. So that's why at times you need to give the security tokens to the third party applications or for any integration. So if you don't know your security token, so you can just set your security token and it will come on the your email, and then that's how you will be able to see the security token related to the specific user. So if you wanted to know your security token, you just click on your profile and you can click on the setting option and you will go to the settings, and here you can see the details of your Salesforce org, and then I'll just write security token in the quick find box and I will click on the reset my security token, and then I will just click on this reset my security token, and then you can see that check your email. We sent a new security token to the email address for your account, which is this. Then you will get the security token on your email, whatever your security token will be. So you can just use your security token while performing many operations. So this way we can just set our security token by going on the setting option. If you click on the logo of your Salesforce org. So I hope you understood that how you can get your security token for any deployment purposes or any integrations. So if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.